Hello friends and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a fresh lemon ice cream. We're going to be working out of the cookbook, an old cookbook that I have. We'll be putting all the information, name of the cookbook and everything, and all the ingredients with quantities down below in the description. Okay, it's summer, so we want to make sure that we're fixing things that are easy, fast, that you don't have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, because who wants to spend a lot of time in the kitchen when it's hot? So this recipe is very simple. You can have your kids even do it. I mean, it's really that simple. All we need here is we have our heavy cream. In this case, I'm using heavy cream. You can also use half and half, but I'm using heavy cream. And we're going to put our sugar and we're going to mix until the sugar gets dissolved. Like I said, I made this before. Today I tried to be a little fancy, and we're going to try. I hollowed out my lemons after I juiced them, and we're gonna use them as our serving dishes. So we'll see how that works. And but once our sugar gets dissolved in the heavy cream, we're gonna put our lemon juice and lemon zest. And that's it. It's that simple. We'll put it in our serving. If you don't have your lemon like this, your lemon peels like this, you can put it on an 8x8 container in the freezer, pop it in the freezer. Or if you have single serving containers, or either cups or whatever you want to put it in, that'll be fine. Then we put our lemon juice and our lemon peel, and that's it. That's really it. Make sure we mix it really well, and then I'm going to ladle it into my containers. I could use this, but I feel like I'm gonna make more of a mess. I kind of know myself. I feel like I'm gonna make more of a mess with that, trying to pour it, and maybe I'll just use the ladle. We'll see how it comes out. Right? Now, you know what? I do want to taste it. This should taste okay, but I do want to taste. Make sure that it tastes okay before I put it in the lemony. Okay. Now we do this. Oh, make sure it doesn't fall. And here we go. Ooh. Well. Oh no, I think I overfilled it, but just a little bit. And if you make it on your, your single serve dishes, it'll be ready faster. Then that way you don't have to wait that long. But oh yes, very nice. Anyway, it's been a while since we posted something, I know, but my son just got a new camera, so we're trying it out. He has to practice, so that's why I'm here doing it. We'll see. If you have any comments or anything about, if you watch our other videos, and if you have any comments, then make sure to write them down below. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, and we'll go from there. But I think we're gonna be trying to, oh no, I overfilled that one. We're gonna be trying to do some recipes from, I have several cookbooks that I want to be trying, and some easy, fast recipes and simple recipes that we can share with you guys. And I think that's what we're gonna do. And anyway, I have all this left over. I'm going to put it in another container, And I'll put this ones in the freezer, and then we'll be back for the tasting. Okay, see you in a few. Okay, and we're back. It's about 2.5 hours after they've been on the freezer, and it doesn't look like wow, but it doesn't look bad. And for just for home, I'm not having a party or anything like that. So for here for home, just because it's a little bit crooked, as you can see, but you know, it's not bad. Now let's taste. That's what's important, right? How it tastes. Oh, it's nice and soft. Mmm. Mmm. It is very good. Better than what you get at the store now. Especially if you want something that tastes fresh. Mmm. Creamy. Very good. Friends, go ahead and make it. It's simple. Heavy cream, sugar, lemon juice, lemon rind, and that's it. And put it in the freezer. It doesn't take that long. Okay? The kids can do it for you. Give them the stuff. They'll mix it up, put it in the freezer. You don't even have to do it in anything fancy. Single cups or even on a pie plate. My leftover that I had after I filled out like 9 of these lemon peels, I put it in a pie pan and just put it in the freezer. So don't worry about it. Within, like I said, 2.5 hours, it's going to be nice and soft. Look at this. It's good. Delicious. Try it. Give it a try. Let us know down in the comments below if you like it. If you don't like it. If you tried it and didn't like it. Okay? But go ahead and give us a like. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. And come back to the channel. We'll see you next time with something new. Bye.